Hi guys, I'm Ishita and welcome to my channel. My voice is a bit raspy. It is because I'm still recovering from a cold and I did not post any video last week because of the cold. So I was thinking about making a quick video on something that I called as hidden narcissism. So let's get into it. So this is not any medical research or medical term that I have heard of. It is just my observation and my personal conclusion. So firstly, we have people who are underconfident, we have people who are confident, and then some are overconfident. So underconfident, not always, but a lot of times it comes from self-hate or a place of self-doubt, whereas confident people are very well balanced, and that is exactly what we need. But on the other hand, some people are overconfident. Now, some overconfident people learn self love, but they take it even few steps further. And the self love, when it turns into self centeredness, it becomes narcissism. And some people also develop God complex, and believe it or not, some people even start calling themselves God. I have heard it and I have seen it. So you can easily spot a narcissist by their behavior. They always put themselves first in every situation, and it does not matter to them if their choices, if their behavior is hurting someone else. They're all about their needs only, and they rarely help others. Even if they do help others, they will make sure to remind it to them every single day of what all they have done for them. And if you confront them about something wrong they did to you, they will often act as the victim themselves and blame it upon you. But I have observed something in these people which is not very apparent at first, but you might conclude it a while later, and hence I call it hidden narcissism. So, whenever you are passionate about something in your life, or there is a life goal that you are working hard towards, and you share it with people, there will be people who are not really interested in that and they do not care about it, and they will make it obvious that they do not care. But then on the other hand, we have people who are supportive and they will try to find ways to help you out. They will speak up words of affirmations to you. They will go out of their way to make things easier for you. They will be also visibly happy on your achievements. They will also keep a track of your milestones and congratulate you on that. You can notice how some of your best friends might do this. But then comes some people who, when you speak to them about your goals or whatever you are doing and you are happy about it, their reaction will be very positive. They will probably say stuff like, "Oh, I know you can achieve it. I know you are capable of it, and good luck, and all the best to you," and things like that. But after that one instance, there will not be a second time when they mention it again in front of you, or they ask you about it, how is it going, or if they can help you or not. No, they will not utter a single word in those lines. You might first believe them and think that they are silently supporting you, but let me tell you, there is nothing as silently supporting someone. If someone is supporting you, they will make it very obvious in front of you. They just don't care enough about you or your goals. So let's be real, they do not support you and they are just trying to, I don't know, manipulate you or something, but they are not your real supporters. Someone not stopping you from achieving something is not equal to someone supporting you. Not stopping you is just the bare minimum. They just don't care enough, and narcissists are always so focused on themselves, they do not care about anything else or anyone else unless and until it is something that involves them or directly affects them. So, yeah, that was my observation and conclusion about hidden narcissism and the behavior I noticed in some people. So, I just wanted to share that to you. So, yeah, just be careful around people who you think are narcissists or they show weird behaviors that you have to overthink about, and it just makes you uncomfortable. So just be careful about that. Narcissists can be very manipulative. So yeah, that is all for this quick video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos.